KURINJI Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
KURINJI Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, discussing trigonometry, miscellaneous problems up to question number 4 we discussed. Next question is question number 5. Show that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x equal to 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. Here question is to show that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 cos x cos 2x and into sin 4x. Okay, now I'll consider left hand side and prove right hand side. Okay, here we have 4 terms: sin x, sin 3x, sin 5x and sin 7x. Okay, now I'll make them as pairs. Okay, I'll take sin 7x and sin x one pair, sin 3x and sin 5x one pair. What is the reason? 7x plus x is how much? 8x. Here 5x plus 3x is also 8x. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, so I'll regroup the terms. Left hand side I'll consider I'll prove, take left hand side and I'll prove right hand side. Okay, LHS is I'll regroup the terms, that is sin 7x plus sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x. Okay, now this is of the form sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d formula? Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, now here c is 7x, d is x. Okay, so sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 7x plus x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 7x minus x by 2. Okay, plus here also sin 5x plus sin 3x, sin c plus sin d formula again, sin c plus sin d formula 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. In place of c what we have? 5x. In place of d what we have? 3x. 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay, now here first term 2 sin 8x by 2, 2 sin 4x into cos 6x by 2, cos 3x, plus here 2 sin 8x by 2, sin 4x into cos 2x by 2, cos x. Okay, so what we have? 2 sin 4x into cos 3x plus 2 sin 4x into cos x. 2 sin 4x common, 2 sin 4x common. What we have? Cos 3x plus cos x. Okay, now here we have cos c plus cos d formula. What is cos c plus cos d formula? Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, cos c plus cos d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now here in place of c what we have? 3x. In place of d what we have? X. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, now 2 into 2, 4 sin 4x into cos 4x by 2, cos 2x into cos 3x minus x, cos 2x by 2, nothing but cos x. Okay, so what we have left hand side, right hand side what we have to prove? 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. Here 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. Okay, that is what we have to prove. Okay, consider LHS and prove RHS. Okay, here sin x, sin 3x, sin 5x, sin 7x, sum of these We have to prove it as 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. Okay, I'll regroup the terms sin x plus sin 7x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x. Okay, so sin c plus sin d formula 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here also sin c plus sin d formula 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, so sin 4x common, 2 sin 4x common, 2 sin 4x into cos 3x into cos x. Again cos c plus cos d formula, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 4 sin 4x into cos 4x by 2, cos 2x into cos 2x by 2, nothing but cos x. That is right hand side. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Sin 7x plus sin x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x. This is numerator. Denominator cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x. This total, okay, this numerator upon denominator, we have to prove it as tan 6x. Okay, so what is given in numerator? Sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x. Okay, now if you observe this bracket, it is of the form sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, in place of c what we have? 7x. In place of d what we have? 5x. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, plus. Now here also sin c plus sin d formula. Okay, again sin c plus sin d formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, so in place of c what we have? 9x. In place of d what we have? 3x. 2 sin 9x plus 3x by 2 into cos 9x minus 3x by 2. Okay, denominator what we have? Cos 7x plus cos 5x, one bracket, plus cos 9x plus cos 3x, another bracket. Okay, here I will apply cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d is how much? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, applying that, 2 cos c is how much? 7x. D is how much? 5x. Okay, 2 cos 7x plus 5x by 2 into cos 7x minus 5x by 2. Okay, plus here also cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 2 cos 9x plus 3x by 2 into cos 9x minus 3x by 2. Okay, but this is how much? 2 sin 12x by 2, 2 sin 6x into cos 2x by 2, cos x, 2 sin 6x into cos x, plus 2 sin 12x by 2, 2 sin 6x into cos 9x minus 3x, 6x by 2 nothing but cos 3x. So what we have? 2 sin 6x into cos x plus 2 sin 6x into cos 3x. So numerator 2 sin 6x common. So 2 sin 6x into cos x plus cos 3x, that is numerator. Okay, now what about denominator? Denominator what we have? 2 cos 12x by 2, 2 cos 6x into cos 2x by 2, cos x. Okay, 2 cos 6x into cos x plus 2 cos 6x into cos 9x minus 3x, 6x by 2 means cos 3x. So denominator what we have? 2 cos 6x into cos x plus 2 cos 6x into cos 3x. So overall in denominator 2 cos 6x common. So 2 cos 6x into cos x plus cos 3x. But 2 cancel. Cos x plus cos 3x in numerator, cos x plus cos 3x in denominator cancel. So what we have? Sin 6x upon cos 6x. Okay, that is tan 6x. Okay, that is what we have to prove. That is what we have to prove. Okay. Now here simply applying sin c plus sin d formula, numerator sin c plus sin d formula, here also sin c plus sin d formula, denominator cos c plus cos d formula, cos c plus cos d formula. Okay, 2 sin 6x in numerator common, 2 cos 6x in denominator common. So what we have? 2 sin 6x into cos x plus cos 3x in numerator upon denominator 2 cos 6x into cos x plus cos 3x. Cos x plus cos 3x in numerator, cos x plus cos 3x in denominator cancel. 2 cancel. So sin by cos is what? Tan 6x. Okay, that is the answer. That is what we have to prove. RHS. Okay, next question number 7. Question number 7, sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 4 sin x into cos x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. Sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 4 sin x into cos x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. Okay, I'll consider LHS, prove RHS. Okay, now I'll regroup the terms. Sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x I will write. Okay, sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x. Okay, now sin c minus sin d formula. Sin c minus sin d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, sin c minus sin d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, by applying that property, okay, in place of c what we have 3x, in place of d what we have x. Okay, sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x plus x by 2 into sin 3x minus x by 2. Okay, sin c minus d by 2. Okay, plus sin 2x as it is. Okay, 2 cos how much? 4x by 2, 2x no 2 cos 2x into sin 2x by 2 sin x. Okay, 2 cos 2x into sin x plus sin 2x what we can write 2 sin x cos x. Okay, now sin 2x what I wrote 2 sin x cos x. Now if you observe here what we have 2 cos 2x into sin x plus 2 sin x into cos x. Now from these two terms 2 sin x common, 2 sin x common. So 2 sin x into here 2 sin x quotient is what cos 2x. Here 2 sin x quotient is what cos x, cos 2x plus cos x. Okay, now in this bracket it is of the form cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d. Okay, now cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, so 2 sin x into cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c, in place of c what we have 2x plus d, in place of d what we have x. Okay, 2 cos 2x plus x by 2 into cos 2x minus x by 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 4 sin x into cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, so 4 sin x into cos x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. Okay, that is RHS, that is what we have to prove. Okay, now here once again I'll explain. Left hand side what is given sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x. Okay, I'll regroup like this, sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x. Now sin c minus sin d formula in this bracket. Okay, sin c minus sin d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 plus sin 2x as it is. Okay, so 2 cos 4x by 2 cos 2x into sin 2x by 2 sin x plus sin 2x what we can write 2 sin x cos x. So from these two terms 2 sin x cos x common, 2 sin x common, 2 sin x into here 2 sin x quotient cos 2x, here 2 sin x quotient cos x. Okay, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 2 into 2 4 sin x into cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, that is what we have to prove. Okay, next find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 for the following questions. Question number 8, 9, 10 we have to find sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. Okay, now question number 8, tan x is given as a minus 4 by 3 where x belongs to Q2 means x is in second quadrant. Now in second quadrant which trigonometric ratios are positive? In second quadrant sine and cosecant are positive, remaining 3 are negative, remaining 4 are negative. Which are positive in second quadrant? Sine and cosecant positive, tan cot negative, cos and secant negative. Okay, now what is given? Tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3 where x belongs to Q2. X belongs to Q2 means second quadrant means pi by 2 less than x less than pi only, no? Okay, pi by 2 less than x less than pi. Okay, if we divide by 2 throughout, what we get? Pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. X by 2 belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 2. X by 2 belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 2. pi by 4 to pi by 2, it is nothing but first quadrant only, no? Pi by 4 to pi by 2 is a first quadrant. So x by 2 belongs to first quadrant. X by 2 belongs to first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So whatever answer it is, sin x by 2 positive, cos x by 2 positive, tan x by 2 positive. Okay, first thing is sin x by 2 positive, cos x by 2 positive, and tan x by 2 is also positive. Okay. Now we have a formula. Tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay. Now we have actually tan 2x formula. Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay. So tan x is equal to what we can write, 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. Where tan x value we know how much it is given, minus 4 by 3. So left hand side minus 4 by 3 is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. 2 cancel on both sides. Now what we have, left hand side minus 2 by 3, right hand side 2 tan x by, tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay, cross multiply. So what we get, minus 2 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 is equal to right hand side 3 tan x by 2. Okay, minus 2 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 is equal to right hand side 3 tan x by 2. Okay, multiply with minus 2 inside. So what we get, minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 tan square x by 2. So 2 tan square x by 2 minus 2 is equal to 3 tan x by 2. Right, 3 tan x by 2 this side, minus 3 tan x by 2. So what we get, 2 tan square x by 2 minus 3 tan x by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so what we have, 2 tan square x by 2 minus 3 tan x by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now I will factorize. This is a quadratic in tan x by 2, quadratic in tan x by 2. Okay, factorize. How I will factorize, 2 tan x by 2 tan square x by 2 minus, because product is minus 4, no? So minus 3 tan x by 2 I will write as minus 4 tan x by 2 plus tan x by 2, minus 2 equal to 0. So from these two terms I will take a 2 tan x by 2 common. So 2 tan x by 2 into, still we have tan x by 2 here, minus 2 here. Okay, so 2 tan x by 2 into tan x by 2 minus 2, plus from these two I will take 1 common, plus 1 into tan x by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Now here this term and this tan x by 2 minus 2 common, no? So tan x by 2 minus 2 into, here tan x by 2 minus 2 quotient is what, 2 tan x by 2. Here tan x by 2 minus quotient is what, 1. So what we have, tan x by 2 minus 2 into 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now product 0 means either this is 0 or this is 0. So tan x by 2 minus 2 equal to 0 means tan x by 2 is equal to 2, or 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 is equal to 0 means tan x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so tan x by 2 is equal to 2 or tan x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, now here x by 2 is in first quadrant, no? So x by 2 first quadrant means tan x by 2 positive. So tan x by 2 has to be positive. Here what we have two possibilities, one is tan x by 2 equal to 2 or tan x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Because x by 2 is in first quadrant, okay, tan x by 2 is positive. So tan x by 2 is equal to how much? 2. Tan x by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, but tan x by 2 is equal to 2, nothing but tan x by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. 2 by 1, 2 we can write as 2 by 1, nothing but tan x by 2 is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. If you write a right angle triangle, okay, tan x by 2 is opposite side to adjacent side is 1. Okay, so 2, 1. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we get, hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to this one square plus this one square, 4 plus 1 5. So hypotenuse is equal to square root of 5. Okay, now sin x by 2 is how much? Sin x by 2 is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse, nothing but 2 upon root 5. 2 upon root 5. Generally, we won't write irrational number in denominator. So factorize or multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. So what we get, 2 root 5 upon 5. Sin x by 2 is equal to 2 root 5 upon 5. Okay. Now cos x by 2, adjacent side by hypotenuse, 1 by root 5. 1 by root 5 we can write as multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. What we get, square root of 5 upon 5. Okay. I'll repeat once again. Here given tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3, x is in second quadrant. As x is in second quadrant means pi by 2 less than x less than pi. Okay. So pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. So pi by x by 2 belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 2 means x by 2 belongs to first quadrant. X by 2 is in first quadrant. Okay. Now we have a condition tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay. Tan x value is how much? Minus 4 by 3. Okay. So minus 4 by 3 is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. 2 to cancel on both sides. By cross multiplication after simplification, what we got? Tan x by 2 is equal to 2 or 2 tan x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. But x by 2 is in first quadrant. So all trigonometric ratios are positive here. So tan x by 2 is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Tan x by 2 is equal to 2, nothing but 2 by 1. So tan x by 2 opposite by adjacent side, no? Opposite by adjacent. So 2 by 1. So 2, 1. So by Pythagoras theorem this is root 5. So sin x by 2 opposite by hypotenuse 2 by root 5, that can be written as 2 root 5 by 5. Okay. Cos x by 2 is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 1 by root 5, that is we can write as root 5 by 5. Okay. My next question number 9. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 3, x belongs to Q3 means x is in third quadrant. But third quadrant means what? Pi to 3 pi by 2. So x belongs to pi to 3 pi by 2, nothing but pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2. So divide by 2 throughout, what we get? Pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. Okay. Pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. Okay. So pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4, it is in second quadrant. So x by 2 lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign and cosecant positive, remaining negative. Okay. Okay. Next, now we have a condition cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Actually cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay. So minus 1, write this side ma plus 1. We know cos x value, how much it is given? Minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1, LCM if you take minus 1 plus 3, 2 by 3. Okay. So 2 cos square x by 2 equal to 2 by 3, 2 to cancel ma. So cos square x by 2 equal to 1 by 3, cos square x equal to cos square x by 2 equal to 1 by 3 ma. So cos x by 2 is equal to what? Plus or minus square root of 1 by 3, plus or minus square root of 1 by 3, nothing but plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3. Cos x by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. But x by 2 is in which quadrant? X by 2 is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative, no? As x by 2 belongs to Q2, second quadrant, cos x by 2 is negative. So cos x by 2 negative means cos x by 2 is equal to how much? Minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Cos x by 2 value is minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Next, to find out sin x by 2, we have a condition that is cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Okay. So 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to what? We can write 1 minus cos x. So 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x. So 1 minus, what is cos x ma? Cos x is how much given? Minus 1 by 3, no? So 1 minus minus 1 by 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 is how much? 4 by 3. Okay. 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 4 by 3. 2 cancel on both sides ma. Sin square x by 2 is equal to how much? 2 by 3. Okay. Sin square x by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. So sin x by 2 is equal to how much? Sin x by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 by 3. Okay. Plus or minus square root of 2 by 3. Okay. Now sin x by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 by 3. X by 2 is in second quadrant, no? In second quadrant sin is positive. So sin x by 2 is positive. So plus or minus means we will take positive. So sin x by 2 is equal to what? Square root of 2 by 3. Sin x by 2 is equal to square root of 2 by 3. Okay. So cos x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Sin x by 2 is equal to square root of 2 by 3. So tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is ratio of sin upon cos, no? What is sin x by 2? Sin x by 2 is square root of 2 by square root of 3 upon cos x by 2 is how much? Minus 1 by root 3. So root 3 cancel, root 2 by minus 1, nothing but minus square root of 2. So tan x by 2 is minus square root of 2. Okay, my x by 2 is in second quadrant means tan x by 2 negative, cos x by 2 negative. Okay, now here cos x is given as minus 1 by 3, x is in third quadrant, so x by 2 is in second quadrant. So cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Using this, what we got, cos x by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. As x by 2 is in second quadrant cos is negative, so cos x by 2 is equal to how much? Minus 1 by root 3. Okay, next, using the property cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2, what we got, sin square x by 2 is equal to 2 by root 3. So sin x by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 by 3. Okay, as x by 2 is in second quadrant, sin x by 2 is positive, so sin x by 2 is equal to square root of 2 by 3. Okay, tan x by 2 is sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 is root 2 upon root 3 upon cos x by 2 is minus 1 upon root 3. Root 3 cancel, tan x by 2 is equal to minus square root of 2. Okay, I will conclude up to here. We will continue in next class. Thank you.